Word power day 4. So here are the words, synonym and antonyms. So 27th word is acclivity. So it means an upward slope or hyperbola. Okay, acclivity means upward slope or hyperbola. While its antonym will be known as decline. Upward slope, decline. Right? Acclivity. Accolade, a strong praise, honor or appreciation. A strong praise, honor or appreciation. Antonym will be criticism. Accomplish, someone who helps other in committing crime. And someone is motivating in doing the wrong things. That is something known as crime. Another word is known as abet. And antonyms will be demotivate. Accord. Accord means acceptance, agreement, concord. And its antonym will be conflict. Accost. Accost means aggressively, vibrant, and its antonym will be moderate. Accrue, to increase in number or amount. Accrue means to increase in number or amount. To collect or to accumulate. Disperse or scatter is its antonym. Acidulous. Acidulous. So its synonym will be sour in taste or rancid. Sour in taste, or second word is known as rancid. Its antonym will be sweet. Then acid is the word. Its synonym will be the highest point of perfection. Okay, acid means highest. Acid is the word. Synonym will be highest point of perfection. Antonym will be disagree, unskilled. Antonym will be disagree, unskilled. Acoustic, easy to hear, and acid, highest point of perfection, otherwise known as omniscient. Omniscient, and is so acid means perfection, but in that perfection to the peak, highest point, and omniscient. Okay, antonym will be disagree and unskilled. Acoustic, easy to hear the sound, audible. Acoustic means which is easy to hear the sound, so it is audible, of course. Antonyms will be inaudible. Acquiesce is synonyms will be accepting, reluctantly. Acquiesce means accepting, reluctantly. Okay. So another one is antonym will be refusing or denying. Refusing or denying. Acquit, to hear some, to free someone of criminal charges. Acquit means to free someone of criminal charges. Absolve, and antonym will be accused. Acrid. Acrid. Okay, so sharp, bitterly, pungent, fierce, foul is the meaning. Acrid is synonym will be sharp, bitterly, pungent, fierce, and sour. Its antonym will be smooth. Activate. So its synonym will be motivate, boost up. Activate is synonym will be motivate, boost up. Its antonym will be demotivate or demoral. Acumen means a skill of correct judgments. Acumen means a skill of correct judgments. A skill of correct judgments. Expert or proficient. Acumen means a skill of correct judgment. Expert or proficient. Another one is in antonyms, novice, apprentice, or fresher. Please note down all these words, synonyms and antonyms, which is going to help you a lot in your preparation, especially for the banking, SSC, and all those things, government jobs, either railways. Please make a note of all those things. All these words with synonyms and antonyms. Definitely going to help you. Thank you.